Hi, I'm Mary Palaric. I'm the founder of Abundeco. I'm a property developer and a property coach. And I'm on a mission to help women make more, work less, and live more. And that's through property investing, which is obviously my huge passion. And I want to be able to share my passion and my knowledge with you at the inaugural Eastwood Community Centre's Cornucopia conference, which is all about empowering women, helping them become more financially savvy and literate, and building abundance. And I'm going to be talking about building wealth um, through one property at a time. Did you know that not all properties are actually investment grade? So I'm going to show you how you can buy strategically. So just with one property, how that can set you up for life. And I'll show you also how you can create that strategy to buy the right property that will actually make you money. Because interestingly enough, not all property will make you money. We don't want you to be buying a lemon. So with that, I was also asked the question about, what are my thoughts about creating abundance? And abundance to me means prosperity in all aspects of life. Our life is like an ecosystem with various elements that we need to create this harmony. And I really truly think that focusing on financial well-being is really, really critical, because financial stress is becoming such a huge topic, around housing affordability and the cost of living pressures that we're experiencing. So to become more financially abundant will flow through to the other elements of your life, de-stress you. Hopefully your health won't be impacted. Your relationships will be improved if you can get in control of your finances. And I'm here to help you in terms of how to do that through property. So I'm looking forward to seeing you. It's going to be an amazing event, 25 speakers. I'd love to be able to see all the workshops, but because I'm facilitating, I'll be missing out a few. But it's a great networking opportunity, and I know I'll enjoy meeting you all. So see you in November the 10th.